Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everything you need to know about managing your CarMax experience. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to find your CarMax account number in 2025. Whether you're checking your payment history, updating your profile, or just staying on top of your car ownership, locating this number is a breeze once you know the steps. Let's jump right in. First off, start with the easiest spot: your email inbox. When you first created your CarMax account or made a purchase, they likely sent you a welcome email or confirmation with all the key details. Search for emails from CarMax. Look for subjects like account setup or your purchase details. Scan through for a string of numbers. That's probably your account number. If you're using Gmail or Outlook, use the search bar to filter by sender or date to make it quicker. If that doesn't turn up anything, head over to the CarMax website. Fire up your browser, go to carmax.com, and click on the Sign In button at the top right. Enter your username and password. If you don't have one, you might need to create an account first. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account or Dashboard section. Your account number should be displayed prominently, often under your personal info or profile settings. Pro tip: if you're on a mobile device, make sure you're using the latest version of your browser for the best experience. Now, if you're an app user, things are even simpler. Download or open the CarMax app on your phone. It's available for both iOS and Android. Log in with your credentials, then tap on the menu icon, usually 3 lines or a profile picture. Head to Account Settings or Profile, and voila, your account number should be right there. This method is super convenient for on-the-go access. If you've tried all that and still can't find it, don't panic. Reach out to CarMax customer support. You can call their helpline at 1-800-CarMax-1 or use the live chat on their website. Have your driver's license or purchase details handy for verification. They'll guide you through it securely. Remember, always keep your account info private to protect against fraud. That's it for today's quick guide. I hope this helps you track down your CarMax account number effortlessly. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.